Hey, how's it going, everyone? We have a box of Donruss 2019-2020 Optics. I picked this up in a line on a Facebook group. I'm gonna go ahead and do this break here on the video and hopefully get something to be excited about. So you got Kyrie Irving on the cover of the Optic. So it comes with, I think 8 packs, is it? And then 2 bonus packs. So, yeah, so you have your 4 cards per pack, 8 packs with 2 bonus pink packs. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. And yeah, let me know how you guys open your cards. I always seem to go from the top there. Maybe there's a better way to do this. See Memphis there in the first card. Was hoping for a jaw. So we have Lauri Markkanen, Bam Adebayo, and the centering is awful on these. Magic Johnson, Express Lane, and a Brandon Clark rookie. That's a pretty nice one. So we're gonna put all the base cards over on another pile, and then anything that's of interest in a different pile. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these all and review the product afterwards. And then any ideas for other boxes or sets to open, just let me know. Clint Capella, Chris Paul, Donovan Mitchell Splash, Jay Crowder. I don't think anything here is of any importance. There you go. Jamal Murray, Malik Monk, Magic winner stays, and Cody Martin. So you can get lucky, I believe, and pull some rookie autos. But probably not very good probability of doing so.
A few moments later.
So we got Sweet Lou, the Beard, winner stays Moses, and Keldon Johnson, rookie. So we'll put the rookies over here. And these boxes usually retail for about $100, which is on the cheaper end for basketball right now, believe it or not.
Shut up and take my money.
Chris Middleton. We have the Snitch, Dame Time, and Andre Drummond. Another thing that's interesting about these cards is how they're shaped. If you see here, they all look pretty caved out. Oh shoot. Alright, so Dame again, Dragic, Paul George, Fantasy Stars, and Gallo. Al Horford, JJ Redick, Bradley Beal, and DeAndre Hunter, rookie. And last of the base packs here. Tim Hardaway Jr., Mitchell Robinson, Russell Westbrook, and Shabazz. So nothing great, but we still have the 2 pink packs. To get some parallel number cards. Something to get lucky here. Uh-oh, we see a Zion in the pack. So we have Jabari, John Wall, De'Aaron Fox, DeJounte Murray, and a pink Zion. Definitely gonna sleeve this guy up. So there you go. We have a Zion.
Oh my god! Wow!
Card looks to be in great shape. Has good centering. Edges look great. This might be worth hanging on to. And last pack. Damian Lillard, Josh Richardson, Cat, cool, Kyle Guy, Sacramento King, and Luke Kennard. So just to recap from the base pile, we have these kind of inserts in every pack. Russell Westbrook, Bradley Beal, My House, Paul George, Fantasy Stars, Damian Lillard, Splash, Lillard Express Lane, Winner Stays Moses, Winner Stays Magic, Donovan Mitchell Splash, Chris Paul Express Lane. And then in terms of the rookies, we ended up with a purple Kyle Guy, DeAndre Hunter, Cody Martin, Keldon Johnson, Brendan Clark, and this guy, Zion. So again, thanks guys for tuning into this review. Just want to say this is a fun, affordable product. And let me know if there's anything you guys want to see me open up next or review. Thanks for tuning in.